Your mama's calling back for no real reason but just to chat. She'll waste your minutes talking about the cat or about how your dad has gotten fat. Well, I picked up. Don't pick up the phone. It's just your mom. Don't pick up the phone. It's just your mom. Don't pick up the phone. It's just your mom. Don't pick up the phone. It's just your mom. Don't pick up the phone. It's just your mom.
Wake up! 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 Wake up!
You have a message from God.
Sorry, but no one's available to answer your call at this time. If you'd like to leave a message, please wait for the beep, then press pound, press 3, then dial your name, then press 6 and dial your number, then press star, press 69, ask for extension 4443, then leave your name and message. If you want to leave your number and the time you called, please press star twice, bark like a dog, spin in a circle, press 1 26 times, and wait for the beep. And thanks for...
How would you like to go see the school counselor?
How would you like to suck my balls?
What did you say?
I'm sorry. Actually, what I said was... How would you like to suck my balls, Mr. Garrison? Holy shit, dude.
Animals.